clamp blade. We're going to offer that to each and every one of you guys at the end of the hour. You can get in the ordering process for that. But we're talking about tools for a second. Well, I hope you guys are ready. This is a really, really exciting presentation. We're so glad to have our DualSaw just back in stock. Sells out every single time we bring it out. And now, because it's back in stock at this time of the year, you get a holiday price. So today, you can take $20 off our counter-rotating DualSaw. We're going to give you a true explanation as to why it's a cut above, no pun intended, to have a DualSaw with those counter blades, but it really is a powerful unit that has less kickback. It has a laser guide included in it. This is whether you are a novice that wants to start doing projects on your own time and in your own home, or you're an expert that's looking for a truly powerful tool. This is one to get excited about. That's why it's a customer pick. And Luca Puto is standing by with some truly incredible demonstrations to help you guys understand why the DualSaw is a game changer.
Yeah, no, it totally is. This saw is perfect if you're a do-it-yourself or an incredibly experienced at working with tools, or if you're just brand new.
Yeah.
If you own 1,000 saws or you don't have any saws, this is going to be the only one that you're going to use. Now, what makes this so unique, folks, is this was invented by a French fireman who wanted a better way to extract people from cars after accidents. Okay, and he wanted something that wasn't going to create sparks, was going to have less kickback, and be able to do the job just as easily and be less weight. Okay, what he did was he came up with this idea with counter-rotating blades. Okay, that means it has two blades, not one, two blades that spin in opposite directions, and that's why you get less kick. Now, when you buy this today, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get the DualSaw itself right here. When you pick this up, it is a nice, substantial, well-made unit you see right here. You're going to get the laser guide right here, so you can do straight cuts when you're going freehand. You're going to get the ruler guide, so you can always make sure every time you cut something, it's going to be exactly the same side if you're doing drywall or plywood or something like that. You're going to get, of course, a blown molded case that everything fits in, so you're never going to lose any of it. And we give you some wax sticks as well for when you're cutting softer metals like copper and that kind of thing. You want to see how it works, though?
Oh, yeah.
Because this is the exciting part. We're going to walk over here to my torture track, and I want to show you, I've got a variety of different materials we're going to cut, but the big thing to notice, Brett, as I'm doing this, is that I'm not going to be changing blades,
right?
Okay? I'm just going to cut from one thing to the next without doing anything except moving the saw, okay? Now, here's my DualSaw, and the first thing we're going to cut is a copper pipe, okay? Now, typically, you've got to call a plumber in, they've got to cut these for you. They're very, very difficult to do, and it's a soft metal, so I'm going to take my DualSaw here, and watch how easily I can go through this copper pipe in just seconds. Just like that.
And you know what? Let's be honest.
Yeah.
Normally, you see somebody sawing, you run in the opposite direction. But because of that technology, that counter-rotating, the DualSaw,
very safe.
It's totally safe.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm standing here. I feel totally safe.
Yeah.
There's nothing flying out at me.
No.
This is a cut above. No pun intended.
I love that.
I promise it's the last time I'm going to say it.
No, it's not.
But it's a great, great purchase. You know, if you know somebody that has a workbench, a workstation, that has even a single tool,
right?
This is your #1 gift right here, right now.
No, it really is. Now, PVC pipe, you're working on your sprinkler system or something like that. Typically, you got to buy a special tool that clamps down on the PVC to cut it, okay? Or you do it freehand with a saw. It takes forever. Watch this with the DualSaw. No special tools needed. Just like that, beautiful clean cut on the back of this. Very simple to do, but you know, okay, no big deal. Copper, okay, let's go through a piece of rebar, okay? This is what they use to reinforce buildings. When they build roads, buildings, bridges, things like that, they put rebar in them. It's a big, strong, heavy piece. Now watch how I can go through the same blade, not changing anything, okay? Just by taking the DualSaw, I'm gonna do a plunge cut straight down. Now, I'm going to pick up the piece that just came off of that for a reason. I want you to look at the back of this right here, okay? Look at that. It is clean, it is polished, okay? But it's also not hot. I can touch this with my finger. True, I've got gloves on, but I can feel the heat if there was any. It's not going to make the metals hot when you cut through them. And that's another safety feature, is that it's safe that way, too. It's not going to make it hot when you cut it.
Well, that's why when you go through material after material, we see why this is a customer pick. The people who shop with us, they know to expect the very best, to demand the very best in everything that we offer. There's a lot of saws out there in the market. What makes this one a customer pick? That counter-rotating blade, that DualSaw technology, and then everything that we include, giving you the laser guide for freehand, giving you the ruler guide. But here it is.
Counter-rotating blade technology.
The magic, right?
Yeah, that's it right there. The only saw in the world that has counter-rotating blades, blades that cut in two different directions. So you can go forwards, you can cut forwards, backwards, you can plunge cut into things straight down. You know, that's the big deal about this, is that no matter what your experience level is, this is the saw for you. Now, right here, we're going to do a piece of trim, I'm going to do some flooring, and we're going to do a threshold real quick. Watch this. I can go right down into this. An absolutely beautiful, gorgeous cut right there. And you notice it didn't splinter. I didn't take any paint off of it. Just like that, we did it. Here's a piece of flooring. If you're trying to do a do-it-yourself job and put some new wood flooring down in your house, this could be a nightmare if you've got a lot to cut. With the DualSaw, we go straight through, very easy, very simple, absolutely gorgeous, real easy. Now, this one's a little tougher.
Okay.
This is a metal threshold, okay? This is the kind of thing where, you know, measure once, cut twice kind of thing. You know what I mean? You really got to be careful with these. But with the DualSaw, cutting through this metal, not a big deal. Watch this. Just like that, beautiful cut, clean, easy to do. If you're doing a job, maybe you're framing something out and you got to cut a bunch of wood, watch this. Watch how fast I go through this 2x4. Just like that. Now, have you ever put in a closet system?
I don't know. This all looks like stunt material to me. You're going through it so fast.
This is the real deal. Man, look at this. This is all the real deal.
Wow.
Now, this is a piece of backing for a shelving system, okay? You put this on the wall in your closet. Typically, you get these pre-cut at the store. But what happens? You get home and you go, oh, my gosh, I missed by an inch or I missed by 2 inches. So now watch how I can cut this. Now, this is painted metal, all right? If I do a bad job on this, we're going to have to repaint it. But watch this. Just like that, a clean cut, and notice none of the paint came off on this. We don't have to do it again. But you know what, Brett? The big deal is right here. I brought this from home, all right? These are just a few of the saws that I own, okay? And the funny thing is, as many saws as I have for different jobs around the house, guess which one I grab every time because it's convenient, it's easy, and it's fast?
Something is telling me it's the DualSaw.
That's right, but why? Because it's a cut above. I use it this time. See?
Look at that. See, we're working in tandem here.
Exactly.
Like the DualSaws do.
Right, the two blades.
The puns are flying everywhere left and right. You know, but at the end of the day, when you look at that, you know, Lou can speak to personal experience. Somebody that likes doing DIY projects. Isn't this like the best thing to start getting at the holidays, to have people give to you and say, this is going to be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, and I look too for the ladies out there. You know, if your husband's been sitting around complaining, oh, God, I don't have time to do this job or time to do that job, give him a DualSaw. He's going to do them faster. He won't have that excuse anymore. I'm just saying. I'm not trying to get anybody in trouble. I'm just saying. Let's go back over here.
And remember, when you're thinking about gift giving, that you've got until the end of January.
Right.
Now, our extended holiday return policy is in full swing. This is a customer pick. We know that it's going to be the go-to sub, but just so you know, it's Gifts Made Easy officially. So if you're thinking about shopping for the fix-it guy, for the, you know, tool lover in your life, you can shop with confidence that they can open it Christmas morning and take it for a spin, take it for a drive themselves. And if they're not convinced they don't love it, we'll take it back until the end of January.
Take it for a spin. You're still doing it.
I promise I didn't even realize that.
I can't help it. You can't help yourself. All right, we're going to do a quick do-it-yourself project. Let's say you want to do something simple, like you put in a doggy door. In this case, what I'm going to do is drop a sink in here. Okay, maybe I'm cutting through, you know, my countertop. Now, we've already made a couple cuts here. This is where that laser guide would actually come in very handy, so I can turn that on. But watch what I'm going to do. The first thing I'm going to do is what's called a plunge cut. Okay, I'm going to cut straight down, and this is something you can't do with a typical saw. You cannot cut straight down. But watch this. Now, I went straight into the wood. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut backwards and forwards. And again, something you can't do with most saws. So I went all the way to the end over there. Now I'm going to come back here. All right, we're halfway done with the job. Now, I'm just going to do that final cut, but watch how quickly I can cut through this and how easy it is to get jobs done around the house with the DualSaw. There's that plunge cut. We're going to go backwards. All right, our piece dropped out. We drop our sink in, and except for the plumbing part, we're done. I mean, it's that simple to do when you get the DualSaw.
You know, and you're able to do it accurately, safely, efficiently every single time.
Absolutely. And the same every time. And, you know, just so people remember, when they buy this today, this is what you're going to be getting. You're getting the entire DualSaw set you see right here. You're getting the DualSaw itself with the counter-rotating blade technology. You're getting the laser guide. And this is all upgrades, okay? You're getting the laser guide. You're getting the ruler guide right here. So you're going to cut accurately straight and the same size every time. You're getting the wax sticks for soft metals. Those are self-feeding. And then it all comes in a blown molded case right here, so you're never going to lose it. Take it on the jobs with you wherever you go. Perfect for the, you know, the handyman or for the do-it-yourselfer at home.
So we've got 6 minutes left in this presentation. I honestly believe Lou has run out of things to cut. That's how fast and efficient. Maybe I'm just challenging him, but that's how powerful this is. And I want you to remind anybody that just joined us. Who invented this and why? Because I think the story is really quite impressive.
Yeah, it's interesting. A French fireman invented this because he was going to accidents and cutting people out of cars, and the tools that they typically use were throwing sparks everywhere, and they're dangerous and they're scary. And he thought, there's got to be a better way to do this. And he came up with the idea of two blades rotating in opposite directions, counter-rotating blades, because what that does is they can turn slower, so they generate less heat. All right, there's less kickback, and you can do cuts straight down into the materials. You can go sideways, backwards, all different directions. In fact, let's do a really interesting piece right here, okay? This is a piece of diamond plate, okay? Now, they use this to build steps on trucks and jockey boxes where they put things on the sides of trucks, gas tanks, all kinds of things. This is a nice, heavy piece of steel, okay? I'm going to take the dual saw. You probably want to stand back here. I'm going to take the dual saw, and I'm going to do a plunge cut first, straight into the metal, okay? Now, watch this right here, because I'm going to push this straight through the steel, okay? Here we go. Going in. Do one more right here. All right, just in seconds, look how quickly and easily we cut through. And this is a big piece of steel. I mean, I can't even bend this all the way out. That's a nice heavy piece of steel. And Brett, I haven't changed my blades once. It's the same blade that we used for all these that's cutting all these materials.
So with standard saws, you would use different types of saws, or you'd change the blade?
I would have gone through 4 or 5 different saws already at this point, or I'd have to change out the blades, and they cost money.
You mean you would go through them, like, because of the strength of the materials they'd be kaput?
Or the yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And look at this. You know, I don't want you to think this is some sort of stunt trick here.
Nope.
I mean, this is
that's
the
real diamond plate right there.
Thing.
And, you know, speaking of blades, we actually have a blade. If you bought a dual saw last year or you're buying one today, we have a diamond blade right here that you can get from your operator. And these diamond blades are great for cutting through brick pavers, tile, marble, you know, anything that you're doing home improvement projects, or glass, anything you're doing home improvement projects
Okay,
with.
so I know you're going to show a little bit off, but I want to let everybody know about those diamond cut blades. We have only 100 of those available. So whether you're adding them to your order for your dual saw today, or you're one of the hundreds of people that have written great reviews about the dual saws we've ordered in the past, we do have a limited quantity of those. The item number is at the bottom of the screen. If you want it to be that add-on, or if you know, if your husband loves his dual saw and you want a great little stocking stuff for a great little surprise, or a, hey honey, could you go redo the floors like I asked you to do 6 months ago? That blade's a surefire way to get him to do it.
Well, and if you're doing a project like retiling your kitchen or something like that, or the bathroom, you know, typically you've got to go to the home improvement store and rent what they call a wet saw, okay? And that's a saw with water. It's messy. You got to use it outside. It's pretty terrible, actually. But this, watch how easy this is for me to do, okay? I'm going to open up the blade guard here, and watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a plunge cut straight down into a cinder block. And I think we all know cinder blocks are pretty tough, okay? Here we go. Going right in. Now, look at what we just did right there in just seconds with the dual saw. Made a nice deep cut in this. No fuss, no muss, nothing weird going on here. Don't have to change any blades or anything. Look at that. Beautiful. With those diamond blades.
And, you know, I want to remind everybody, when we talk about the power and the versatility of never changing the blades, the price today is so phenomenal.
It really is.
We've taken $20 off the price. That's already a really compelling price to begin with, because you get the case, you get the laser guide, you get the ruler guide. It's the full package for you to be right out of the box doing everything that Lou shows you. And if you think about breaking it up with flexible payments, imagine what you'd be spending just for every single blade that Lou has replaced. In the course of this presentation, if you're using a different saw, you'd probably just pay for the entire thing.
Oh, and then some.
And then some.
Absolutely.
And you're going to have to keep doing it over and over and over again.
Well, and you know what? To drive that point home, folks, here's what I'm going to do. We're going to do what I call the torture test, okay? I'm going to cut through all these materials without stopping, without changing blades, without taking a rest, okay? So we're going to go through the heavy-duty rebar, the PVC, the copper. We're going to go through the trim. We're going to go through the closet mirrors right here. We're going to go through the hardwood floors, the threshold, and the wood, and we're going to do it all in just a couple of seconds, okay?
I was going to say, you got 90 seconds, just so you know.
It's too much time. All right, here we go. much time left?
I was gonna say you got a minute left to go. That was
Time.
the fastest work I've ever seen. The only thing you didn't do in that minute was our cinder block, but we've got that available for him to cut through too.
We can go do that.
You know, this really is, whether you're looking for that great tool for you for right now, or you are officially in holiday shopping mode. If you know anybody, if they've got that workbench, if they've got that station, if they've got the big red metal box filled with tools, this right here will be their new best friend. It's a customer pick for a reason. We've got it just back in stock for the holidays, and today you get the advantage of a $20 price break. Plus, we've got flexible payments for you.
Yeah.
You know, you're a fix-it guy.
I'm a fix-it guy. Look at all this. I mean, these are all my tools. Look at all the things that I own. And honestly, anytime I do a project now, I just grab the DualSaw. I don't want to have to think about it. I don't have to worry about it. It's faster. It's easier. It's safer.
And it's the entire house.
And it's the entire house.
In like 30 seconds.
Yes. Yep.
Could you build me a shed before I finish the hour?
We can talk.
All right. Lou's going to get working on that. We're so glad to have you guys shopping with us. Thanks for coming.
Absolutely. My pleasure.
What a fantastic product. Aren't those great demonstrations? All right. We've got a surprise in store for you, so stay with us. But first, here's a spotlight.